So Samsung is gearing up to take foldable technology to an entirely new level. And this time, it's not just about folding in half. After the successful debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, all attention has shifted towards Samsung's next big experiment. Its first ever tri-folding smartphone, rumored to be called the Galaxy Z TriFold. According to a fresh report from Yonhap news agency, Samsung is planning to unveil this revolutionary device during the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit, which will take place in Jeonju, South Korea, from October 31st to November 1st. We might be just weeks away from seeing the world's first major tri-folding phone in action. So what makes the Galaxy Z TriFold such a big deal? Unlike the book-style foldables we've seen so far, this device will reportedly feature 2 hinges, allowing it to fold into 3 sections. When completely unfolded, it's said to transform into a full-size 10-inch tablet, offering a truly versatile experience: phone when folded, tablet when opened, and a mid-size display when partially unfolded. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to equip the Galaxy Z TriFold with some serious hardware. Leaks suggest it will sport a 10-inch dynamic AMOLED display, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's top-tier chipset. You can expect configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to a massive 1 TB. Out of the box, it'll likely run Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8.0 layered on top, promising both power and smooth multitasking. Camera-wise, Samsung doesn't seem to be cutting corners either. The TriFold is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with autofocus, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 5 times optical zoom. On the front, there might be dual 10-megapixel selfie cameras, ensuring high-quality shots whether you're using the device folded or unfolded. As for the battery, Samsung has managed to keep that part under wraps for now, but considering the size and complexity of the device, we can expect a large dual-cell setup optimized for such a versatile form factor. If these leaks prove accurate, the Galaxy Z TriFold could easily become one of Samsung's most ambitious and futuristic products yet. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z TriFold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.